What is up, guys? Welcome back to the channel. If it's your first time stopping in, go down below and hit the subscribe button. And if you enjoyed today's video, give it a thumbs up. I would really appreciate it. Wow, it's been a long time. I've gotten a lot of questions like, where have I been? Am I still doing YouTube? When's my next video? All that stuff. I know I haven't uploaded in, God, it's been over 3 months now. And to be honest, I haven't picked up the camera since June. It's been going on like 10 months since I've filmed anything other than like a random intro or outro to a video that I posted a while ago. But without going too deep into everything that's going on, I just kind of took some time. Once I spent pretty much every waking hour of my time on the truck before the show. And then if you follow me on Instagram, you know that the lift I ended up having multiple problems with, and I wouldn't recommend that company at all. Any of their products, it's just, I wouldn't recommend them. But I'll go into that in another video. Once we get to that point, I'll go talk about that more and all that stuff. But that's all this video is about. I also just spent a lot of time with my family because I've been working 60 to 70 hours a week because we had a guy quit, hired a new guy. He lasted about 2 months, then he quit, and then we actually today just had another guy quit. So I've been filling in, working 3 different positions, doing multiple things. Also, every minute I've had off, I was spending with my family, spending with Remy. She's now 1.5 years old, which is crazy. I actually went in this last Tuesday of this week, so I'm actually filming this right now at 2:30 at night on Thursday. So you guys are going to see this video tomorrow. I'm uploading it. But I just went in on Tuesday for her 1.5 year appointment, which is crazy. She's walking now, and she's very healthy, and so everything's good with that. And also been working on my relationship with Kenzie, and, you know, just building that relationship up and making sure that's strong as well. And also just taking care of stuff around the house, doing projects around the house, taking care of stuff, work, like I said. Bought 2 more vehicles, one for work, one for family, because the Fortune's been down for so long. I needed something that was reliable and safe for the family to get around. But enough with all that. I hope you guys have been doing well. Let me know in the comments down below what you guys have been up to. I'll be uploading once a week again on my regular schedule, Friday at 6 o'clock. Trying to think of anything real quick in my head because I don't want to make this too long. But today we're going to be working on the axles. Well, this is old footage. I have a couple more videos that are going to be old, and then we'll be caught up. Once we're caught up, I'll let you guys know. But the next couple of videos are going to be old from back in June, getting ready for the truck show and all the stuff that I did because I spent so much time, money, and work getting those done and filming as well. So I want to upload them at least, and I'm going to cut some stuff. A couple of videos I'm not going to use just because I don't want to support certain things. But anyways, today we're going to get the axles prepped, and it's kind of a shorter video, but I hope you guys enjoy. If you do, don't forget to give it a thumbs up. If you're new here, go down below, hit the subscribe button, and enjoy today's upload. So I'm back at here today. Joe will be here later on. Last night we went ahead and got the whole front all plastic off because I want to end up spraying the bottom of the oil pan and a couple of the cross members right here just to clean them up because they look terrible. We also got the front control arm bushing out, and then coming back to the rear axle here. Sorry, we got the landscapers in the background. Got it all plastic off, a little overkill, but I want to make sure because of the wind we don't have any overspray. I am spraying the leaves because they look like crap, and I want them to look good for the show. And we are going to swap them out in a couple months or so, so it's just temporary. But we got it all sanded down. We did get that stupid piece out of there. This is from the other side. This piece we had to literally drill out in pieces and then take like an auger bit to clean up the hole so that way the new block will fit in there just fine. But got the rotors all taped off and everything. And I'm about to spray. What I'm using is some VHT Roll Bar Chassis, and this is the satin black. So I'm gonna go ahead and do 3 coats of this. 3rd coat being a wet coat, and we'll see how they come out. So it's been a couple hours since I got the final coat on. They're all dry now, and I think it looks really good. Turned out a lot better than I had hoped for, which is awesome. Temporary, because I do want to get the axles powder coated, just don't have time before the show. And then in the meantime, while I was waiting for that to dry, I ate lunch real quick. But come over to this side, it looks good as well. The sun's just bright on this side. But I got the front all plasticed off as far as up under here, because I'm going to do the oil pan like I showed you guys earlier. And the cross member right here, part of the frame. The pitman arm, and also the track bar bracket, because it's all gross, which you can see over here. So I'm gonna go ahead and spray that and the pitman arm right here to clean it up and make it look good, along with everything else, but I'm gonna get to spraying. So unfortunately last night it got dark too fast, so I got all 3 coats on, but I wasn't able to film much. I think it turned out really good. Everything looks freaking clean. I sprayed the track bar mounting bracket. This is the factory one that's welded to the frame. The new one shows up tomorrow or the next day. Oil pan's all sprayed and looks good. Sprayed the pitman arm too, and all these cross members up here. I think they look really good. And the rear axle turned out really good as well. If you go back here, you can see the leaf springs look really nice, and that rear turned out phenomenal. But I'm gonna get all this plastic off real quick, and then I'm gonna get you guys some B-roll. So unfortunately, it's all the footage I got because it was really windy that day and I was worried about overspray getting on the camera, and there was a lot of masking, which I didn't think you guys would enjoy watching. But I think the axles turned out really well. Let me know in the comments down below what you guys think of them. If you guys want to know how the prep work was done, check out last video. If you guys are new here, go down below with the subscribe button. If you enjoyed today's video, give it a thumbs up. I would really appreciate it. See you next Friday at 6 p.m. Pacific Standard Time.